Hello candidates, welcome to mcqforall.com. I am your host Amit, and today I am going to cover the books which you can opt for your CAT preparation. These are the famous books. It did not took me a long much time to prepare this list because I did it myself a long back, and even today after 10 years when I see in the market these books are still quite. I mean people are quite only, I mean they are using, still using, so it's like these books are getting famous day by day. So from my experience, though it's too late, but from today's point of view, when I saw on web and when I concerned to the candidates preparing out there in the in the from the other coaching institutes, so these are the list which I could get from. So for quantitative aptitude, Arun Sharma, all right, and then Abhijit Guha, Nishit Sinha, Sarvesh Verma. Arun Sharma, for those candidates who are preparing from a very basic and those who are quite confident about the quantitative, then they will directly go to Abhijit Guha. Better only buy one book if you are from engineering background, or if you've already prepared for other coaching for other entrance exams. Better you go for Abhijit Guha because the tricks, the shortcuts are quite good in that book. Nishit Sinha again, I referred, but I cannot say like much about it because. Uh, but Sarvesh Verma, for revision point of view, it's good. So in and all the four books are good, especially the Abhijit Guha and Arun Sharma because they are quite old publications and then they are quite old in the market. But along with it, Nishit Sharma and Sarvesh Verma is always preferable. So I mean, before going to buy any book, better take it from your friend and go through it for a day or two, so that you will be able to understand the language because everybody come from a different background and the grasping of language and to understand the content of it is different for different candidates. So it is not like if I like a book, then you will also like the same book. You may like a different book, so better you yourself go buy it first and then buy it. So for next data interpretation and logic reasoning, again same writers, Arun Sharma, Nishit Kesina, and Arun Sharma again. So I will not going to suggest you buy this and buy this because writers are same, publications are same. So better you go through it and decide for yourself. Verbal ability, one edition I did, R.S. Agrawal and Trishna, a part of Arun Sharma and Nishit. R.S. Agrawal because the book is quite fatty, number of pages, a very big book. So and the question levels are quite simple. Verbal ability, if from my point of experience, if I say nobody, I mean I'm just saying because nobody can prepare a verbal ability in just 2 months, 3 months because it takes full year long to make up your vocabulary, to make up your English grammars from class 10 basics, all this. So if you have a good background from English medium or usually from CBSE board or from ICSE board, go with Arun Sharma, Nishit and Krishna. But if you are from a government college, it was like with me, the better I mean go for R.S. Agrawal because there you get the questions level little easy, and then you will be able to grasp the content out of it, and then you'll feel confident when you go through it. Okay, and then that's it. So these were the books, but now before I end up this video, I would like to suggest before buying any book, everybody have their own strong and weak points. Like somebody is good in quant, somebody is good in reasoning. Like if, let's say if I say like do I love reasoning, nobody have solved reasoning before preparing for any CAT exam. I can tell you, till 12th or till engineering background, nobody come up and solve reasoning questions until unless they do not prepare for any entrance exam. But if you have a bent of reasoning like playing chess or solving puzzles from Sakuntala Devi, so it automatically says that you have a bent of those reasoning kind of things. So you can also go for puzzles, a part of solving reasoning. it is all about to have that bent of towards what is required to go for CAT. It is quant, which is very basic, 8 9 10th, which is reasoning, and which is verbal ability. So these all three sections of study are like we are doing from class 7th 8th 9th 10th. So if you are good in that, your basics are good, you don't even have to buy the book. You can you can go. Every city have their own book market, right? I'm from New Delhi, I have Nai Sadak. So if I can go there. Why to buy a new book? Go there, get some second hand book, and prepare for it. Books out there in the market are quite costly, I can tell you. I mean, in our days, the book used to be in 200 rupees, 300, maximum 250 rupees. But nowadays, if I go through, the books are in 500, 400. Though still it's not too costly. 500 nothing when we say about buying, getting into items. But still, why to waste your money? Why not to have why not to go to somewhere where you can get a bunch of books for same subjects and just compare it and then buy it. Buy it before buying before comparing and understanding is a waste of your money. Don't go on somebody else's advice. Use your experience, use your understanding, your level of your level of comfortness, and then buy a book. It's my experience. You can use it for yourself. Otherwise, go to Flipkart, go to Snapdeal, go to anywhere, use your coupon code, whatever, and then buy it. It's your wish. So that's it for today, for this video. And in next video, I'm going to cover the new syllabus of CAT, and then how it's going to impact you, and how are we going to tackle it. Bye bye. And yeah, before going off, please subscribe to this channel, so that when we upload any video from MCQ for all, you get updated through your Gmail mail, and then you always get updated throughout the video session, which we always do it from our side. Bye bye.